Fires can be devastating. At Veracity Services, we're experienced providers of fire restoration services. From small kitchen fires with minimal smoke and soot damage to house or bush fires where entire properties have been affected. Our technicians are trained and qualified to attend your property and ensure that it is safe, with the experience to provide the best service possible. From securing the property with temporary fencing to complete and comprehensive contents inventories and even restorative works, Veracity Services has got you covered. Our clean-up capabilities include testing for asbestos, the removal of building materials, along with complete soot and smoke cleaning inside and out. In this video, you can see our technicians attending a house fire where, unfortunately, the homeowner lost everything. It's a terrible time for homeowners, so we aim to complete our work in a smooth and timely manner so you can get back to normal ASAP with as little stress as possible. Loose sections of roofing can be a hazard to you, emergency services, and with enough wind, your neighbours. Mitigating hazards and making your property safe is our priority. Veracity Services. We work with homeowners, insurance and strata companies to ensure West Australian homes are made safe when the worst happens.